asked to find the circumference and the area of each circle. The circumference formula, so we'll say capital C for circumference, is 2 times pi times r. And pi is just a plain old number. You can get it out of your calculator. There it is. There's an approximation of pi, okay, because it keeps going. We don't find an end to it. And you actually can derive pi yourself. If you measure the circumference of a perfect circle, and then you divide it by the diameter of that same circle, you're going to get pi. You're going to see that with a calculator. It's going to be close to 3.14, blah, 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 blah. So that's all that pi is. It's the circumference of any circle divided by the diameter of that circle. Okay, so enough boring math stories that nobody cares about. The area is pi times r squared. That's the area of a circle. Okay, so we have a circle that has a radius of 9. That means r is 9. So for part A, I got 2 times pi times 9. That makes 18 pi. You'll often see people leave answers in terms of pi so that we don't have to deal with the yucky decimals. Or if, so we have 18 pi. I'm going to do 18 times pi. It gives me 56.55 if I round to the hundredths place. So there's part A. And then that's the circumference. It's 56.55 feet around. And then if you want to know what the two-dimensional area is inside this circle, you need to plug in pi r squared. So this is 81 pi because 9 times 9 makes 81. Or if you want it as a decimal, 81 times pi is 254.47. Okay. So they said to leave our answer in fraction form. So for part A, plug in the radius in. And then to do our fraction work, I'm going to rewrite this as 2 times 3 over 8 times pi, because the order we multiply it doesn't matter. So I can switch up the order. Put a little 1 under here, and you can multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. Or in simpler terms, 6 over 8, divide the top and the bottom by 2. So we got 3 over for 4 pi. And then for part B, we need the area, so that's going to be pi r squared. And so if you're squaring 3 over 8, it's like you're taking 3 over 8 times 3 over 8. So 3 times 3 would make 9, and 8 times 8 makes 64. Why am I hesitant on that? And that's where we can leave our answer. Okay, actually check to see if you can simplify, but I don't think you can. 64 isn't divisible by 3. So that means it's not divisible by 9. Okay, so you could leave it like this, or we usually write pi after the plain old number. Okay, so that's how you can leave your answers for those ones.